Positive affirmations are short, positive statements that are used to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They are essential for promoting a healthy mindset and boosting self-esteem. Research has shown that practicing positive affirmations can have a profound impact on mental health and well-being by reducing stress, increasing resilience, and fostering a more optimistic outlook on life. By incorporating positive affirmations into daily routines, individuals can experience improved self-confidence and a greater sense of overall happiness and fulfillment. Identifying personal goals and affirmation areas involves deep self-reflection to understand one's aspirations and desires. By reflecting on personal aspirations, individuals can gain clarity on what they truly want to achieve and the areas of their lives that require positive reinforcement. This introspective process allows for the identification of specific areas for positive affirmations, such as career advancement, relationships, health, and personal development. Understanding these areas forms the foundation for creating tailored and impactful affirmations that align with individual goals and bring about positive change. Crafting positive affirmations involves using present tense and positive language to reinforce the desired mindset and outcomes. By framing affirmations in the present tense, individuals signal to their subconscious mind that the desired state is already being experienced, fostering belief and confidence. Additionally, using positive language helps to counter negative self-talk and instill optimism. Tailoring affirmations to specific goals and areas ensures that they are relevant and impactful, resonating deeply with individual aspirations and helping to manifest positive change in targeted areas of life. Incorporating affirmations into daily practice requires effective techniques for seamless integration into daily routines. This can include verbal repetition, written affirmations, visualization, or utilizing reminder cues to reinforce the practice consistently. Maximizing the effectiveness of affirmations involves creating a conducive environment free from distractions, maintaining emotional receptivity, and employing gratitude to amplify the affirmation's impact. Integrating affirmations into daily rituals such as meditation, exercise, or self-care activities enhances their assimilation into the subconscious mind, leading to sustainable positive changes in thought patterns and beliefs. Monitoring progress and making adjustments involves tracking the impact of affirmations on a regular basis. This can be done through journaling, self-reflection, or even seeking feedback from trusted individuals. By evaluating the effectiveness of affirmations, individuals can make informed adjustments to their practice, such as refining the wording, adapting the delivery method, or modifying the content to better align with their evolving goals. Making adjustments based on progress and feedback allows for a dynamic and responsive affirmation practice, ensuring that it remains relevant and influential in promoting positive mindset shifts and personal growth.